how to enable visualization in Windows 10. So if this video helped you, please subscribe and click that bell icon as well so we will be updated if there are new uploads in this channel. So right now we are here on our desktop. Let's go to our settings. Go to update and security and go to recovery. So the recovery here is in the left side, and click on advanced startups, and here you can restart now. So after restarting now, we will be entering for some settings and I will show you. So right here we are after the startup or restart button. Just click on the troubleshoot option here, and after that click on the UEFI firmware settings. So after that, what you will see is this restart button for the firmware settings. So just simply click on the restart button, and this will allow you to go to the BIOS of your computer. So after that, we are going to enter advanced mode. So just click on the advanced mode. It is found at the bottom of your BIOS. And click on again to the advanced mode after entering advanced mode. So there is another button that is called advanced. And after that, we are going to enable the Intel virtualization technology. So this will allow the virtualization of the computer on your Windows 10. So that's it guys. I hope this helps and see you on the next video.